Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. It is a legendary line of American automobiles manufactured by Ford since 1964. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Mustang, 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 Mustang. The Mustang comes in various body styles, including coupe and convertible, and is known for its iconic design and exhilarating driving experience. It's a symbol of American muscle cars, renowned for its performance and stylish design. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Mustang, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.